system, and now get interrupted by the goddamn air compressor. Ranch, goddamn, you don't understand. Bring me the liter. Get me a liter of cola. You ready? What's up, guys? Steve here with Speed Kings. We're here with this beautiful Evolution Industries clutch setup. This is their stage 1 setup for hydraulic clutch for M8 bagger models. It's the complete kit. I love this because everything here is made in the USA. It's a beautiful system. I'm actually running it right here on this bike. We were running a different setup in this bike right here, but unfortunately that setup just would not grab properly with this 131, and we tried everything. So when we went back to a closed primary system, I said, fuck, I want to make sure I put something in there that's going to handle all this power. I went with the Evolution Industries clutch pack. I went with the whole kit, just like you see here. It's set up with their stage 1. It comes with their medium springs already. I mean, it's a beautiful system. It looks great. I just popped one of these in my bike. I put about 600 miles on it so far, and it's fucking amazing. Holding up to all the power this 131 puts out, and all the crazy torque as well. I've been beating on it. I've been hitting the twisties. I've been jumping off the line at the stoplights because I'm a fucking race car driver, and this thing's held up really well. So I'm very excited about it. I took their recommendations. I used ATF fluid in this. They want you to use ATF type F fluid. Okay, I soaked my plates. I did, the standard install on this thing. It replaces everything. You pull all your old shit out and you put this whole system in. It's nice too because we're at the medium springs in this setup. It comes with the medium springs, but if you got crazy amount of torque, you can always upgrade the springs as well. And that's one thing which was nice getting away from a diaphragm spring system. You just have more options, but I'm super happy with this thing. One of the biggest things about this company that I already said, but this whole system is made in USA. I love that fact. As everything keeps getting crazier in this world, it's nice to see companies that are sticking with made in USA products. So this whole kit holds up to top quality. I mean, it's beautiful. I love all the little laser engraving. You got, made in USA right here on the side. It's just it's a great system. Not only do they make stuff for the new bikes, but they make stuff all the way back to 1936. I mean, that's fucking awesome. They're still making the stuff for the old bikes, so you can get a bunch of awesome systems. One of the things I do know they make is an open primary system for Sportsters. What? So, I don't know, you may catch us with that sooner or later on a Sportster. Now that we've got to experience this whole system on this Road Glide behind us, we're gonna go back through and do a full install video for you guys, because I really wanna see people running this system because I enjoy it that much. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna do a full install video and show you how it works. It's gonna be awesome. I hope you guys join in. That's coming up real quick in the next few videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff, and stay with us.